Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the next video. So today's topic is I am going to show you about the best tips for an interview. Okay, so let's start. So before starting, I must tell you that there could be 4 rounds of interview. First one is the technical round, second one is the group discussion round, and the third one is the managerial round. And the last one, fourth one is the HR round. So tips for the technical interview. Before going the interview tips, I must tell you that when you are going to enter the interview room, just knock the door, and if they give the permission, then you may enter. And the second tip is, unless and until they gives the permission to you to sit on the chair, don't sit, just stand aside. Okay, so now tips for technical interview. Get prepared well about the subjects that you have written in your resume. Means whatever the subjects that you have written in your resume, you must prepare that well, so that if they gives you any question about that related subject, that so that you may answer. If you can give at least 60% of that question they have asked, then it is a good interview. Must go thoroughly with whatever the projects that you have done, so that if they ask you to draw the data flow diagram of any projects, so that you may draw then and there. The key is try to bring the interviewer to a knowledge space. Don't let them enter into other subjects areas that you are less prepared. So whatever you know, you must keep the interviewer in that range only. Don't let them enter into other space, like in the subjects that you don't know or are less prepared. Tips for group discussion: keep your hands on thighs, or if any bench is given, then you may keep your hands on the bench. If you can't express your views to the GD team, then the tip is that every person's voice tone has a peak and a trough. So when the trough comes, you have to tell your views. Means when a person speaks, he has a high voice, and at the end he comes to a low voice. So at that moment, when he is approaching the low voice, you must enter into that position and just express your views at that moment. Tips for managerial round: in this round they need to know what would you do if you have given a certain action. Means it is a situational based round. The interviewer will give you a situation, and based on that situation you must give them a solution to that situation. So don't give the answer in a rush. Think at least 30 to 35 seconds before you answer, so that you could give them the best solution to that situation. Tips for HR round. So if the interviewer asks you to introduce yourself, tell them that my name is, you may start with my name is or I am. Never say myself. They may ask you, where do you see yourself in 10 years? Never tell a certain position, like I want to be the CEO of this company or some high position. Rather, you may tell that I want to be in such a position so that I am globally known. It sounds good, right? Okay. Now you may get a good news that if the HR asks that, can you relocate yourself? Can you work in shifts? Then there is a high probability that you have made it. You have cracked the interview. So there is a 85% chance that you have cracked the interview. Okay. So thank you. Thank you to join our session. See you in the next video. Thank you.